Camel and 3 sons, in a sun-scorched desert village where golden dunes stretched endlessly, lived an old camel named Kadir. His weathered hump sagged, and his steps were slow, but his eyes gleamed with the wisdom of many years. Kadir had 3 sons: Sage, the wise one who pondered deeply; Gold, the greedy one whose heart craved more; and Slack, the lazy one who napped under every palm tree. As Kadir felt his life waning, he gathered his sons beneath a starry sky to divide his belongings: water, food, and a small patch of fertile land near an oasis. Beginning. Kadir's voice rasped like dry sand. "My sons, my time nears its end. I wish to divide my possessions fairly. 10 jugs of water, 10 sacks of dates, and our land. Each must receive what suits him, but you must agree." Sage nodded thoughtfully. Gold's eyes glinted with ambition, and Slack yawned, barely listening. Kadir hoped this task would unite them, but their differences soon sparked discord, conflict. The next morning, the sons argued fiercely by the oasis. Gold demanded, "I deserve the most water, 6 jugs. It's the key to wealth in this desert." Sage countered, "Water is life, not coin. It should be split evenly. 3 jugs each, with 1 left for the village." Slack shrugged. "Just give me the dates. I don't want to work the land." Their voices rose, echoing across the dunes, each son refusing to compromise. Gold wanted the land to trade, Sage wanted it preserved for all, and Slack wanted nothing but ease. The village elders watched, shaking their heads, as Kadir's dream of unity crumbled. Climax. That night, a sandstorm howled through the village, burying the jugs, sacks, and landmarkers in a sea of sand. The sons panicked, blaming each other. "Your greed caused this, Gold," Sage shouted. "Your laziness let the storm win, Slack," Gold snapped back. As they argued, Kadir, frail but resolute, trudged into the storm's edge. With his last strength, he dug until he uncovered a single jug of water and a sack of dates, then collapsed. The sons rushed to him, their hearts heavy. Kadir whispered, "Find what I've saved. It's all you have now. Work as one, or lose it all." Resolution. Stricken by their father's sacrifice, the sons set aside their differences. Sage planned the search. Gold dug tirelessly, and even Slack worked, hauling sand under Sage's guidance. By dawn, they recovered half the jugs and sacks, but the land was lost to the dunes. Together, they shared the water and dates with the village, realizing Kadir's true gift wasn't wealth, but unity. Sage learned to value action, Gold to value sharing, and Slack to value effort. The village thrived, and the sons honored Kadir by tending the oasis together. Morale. True wealth lies not in possessions, but in unity and fairness, for only together can we weather life's storms.